Hello, maayong adlaw ka natong tanan. Okay ba sa oras aron diha, but right now, upon recording this video, it is exactly 12:30 here in the state of California. I just want to thank you guys for supporting what we are fighting for. We're fighting for truth, freedom, and the sovereignty of our country. Now, karon, I've actually seen this coming from a mile away. Kibaw gyud kaayo ko nga i-take out of context so akong last live ganin ako nga katong nag-teleport ko from one place to the other, 3 locations while on live. Daghan kay kog nakita ang videos only recently nga of me katong from my last live nga ila jong gi-take into account ang katong information ganin ang gi-feed sa kuha. Kato ganing purtigo nilang paninguhan nga kasuhan kong inciting sedition. So ilang gi-splice ang mga clips sa katong last live nako, unya ilang gipang post as true. So I actually have seen this coming from a mile away. I'm telling you. Kini sila ganahan purtigo nilang paninguha nga i-feed kog information nga mga sayop gani. Ganahan gyud kay sila nga kasuhan kog inciting sedition. Now what is inciting sedition? Now inciting sedition is basically pag-auhag sa mga katawhan nga mag-alsa against the government. Kanang akong mong give courage to revolt against the government ba? But that's not what I'm doing. I'm simply trying to let you know that you guys have rights. You have every right to demand transparency, accountability from the public officials that we have voted to serve us and our country. Mauna ang akong giawhag kanyong tanan. I did not say nga kanang pag-revolution mo diha. No, I did not say that. Because I truly believe that the Philippines has a very robust set of rules and regulations set for our nation and the Filipino people. I believe in the Philippine government. It's just so sad that it is being run by clowns. Mauna ang akong gibot pasabot. Okay? It is terrible to think that the people that are running our country is not sane. We need sane public officials. We need sane government officials. Mao na akong gihawhag ang tanan nga pwede mo speak up because it is our right. Ha? Unya, ila jud kong pugson nga kanang musultigin ko ba nga na-detain pa diri si Lisa Marcos. Again, I am telling you guys, I am telling from what I know. I am just recounting from what I know and the information that I have. Now, this is the information that I have. Okay? Ako dyan siya balik-balikon because this is the only thing that I know and I have. Okay? Kana si Bangag, si Lisa Tanas, kana siya, addict na siya. Okay? Addict ng dako and manyak na silang duha. Manyak na silang duha. Kasabot mong tanan diha, kamong mga supporter sa Bangag administration, ha? Kasabot mo o pagbugo-bugo lang gyud mo? Kasabot mo ana, addict ang inyong leader. Gadugo naman gani ba na. Okay. Ila jud kong pugson lagi ko nila nga moingon jud ko nga nabadi. What I know is that wala lagi siya gipapauli, wala lagi moto a few weeks after Paulo Tantocos death. Wa mo kabantay ang mga post niya kay puro closed doors and puros mga edited. Why? Because she was not there in the Philippines. After a few weeks atong pagkahitabo, presko pa kaayo. Wala to siya sa Pilipinas. All closed doors events ang iyang pangapilan. Again, kay wala siya gipapauli. They were held for questioning. They were held for questioning lagi. Ngano pugson man ko ninyo nga napa siya dire? I don't know. I really don't know. And this is what I know. They were held for questioning for a couple of days, maybe weeks. But when Claire Castro said na niuli siya atong pagpitsagis exactly 5:58 in the morning on a Monday, on March 10, there in the Philippines. That was a complete lie. Because I have documents from a very reliable source. My source cannot get as more legit as this. Grabe ka legit ang akong information. Okay? They were never sent home after a few weeks ato. They were not sent home. Maybe now, she's back in the Philippines, but now, butang na to, nana siya sa Pilipinas. Wa mo kabantay, only recently ra nagapusok-pusok ang iyang public appearances. What happened in the past few days? I-connect ninyo ba, di man kata mga bugo tang tanan, dili ta mo sugot, ha? Nga limbungon ta sa administrasyon, kay grabe ka demonyon as lang tanan. Di ta mo sugot. Nga limbungon ta, magpalimbong pa dayta na we know what is happening with all of the information that is out there. You can literally ask for it. Look it up. Look it up. Napugson ko nga ba, dahil nag-send ako nga, Dean, you can trust me, send all of the documents, send all of the recordings, the audios, and the videos. Bogo ko? Ngano, isend man ako ninyo. Pagtanong ako siyang friends, ang 63 kabok friends, 13 kabok friends, napay mag-message na ko, kanang 3,000, 6,000 na friends, pero locked on profile. You think that I am that dumb to send you all of the information that is literally keeping me alive right now? I am being followed, I am being monitored, and if something happens to me, it blows off. Nagtuo mo nakakwarta ko ani akong ipangbuhat. I am not monetized in Facebook. Kay grabe kayo ang mga pag-mass report sa every post nako. Kiba ba mo gipang-restrict ta ng mga post nako? Tanang post ako about di kuan kanang unsa naka-addict ng inyong bangag diha nga kanang presidente. Gipang post, mass report. I am not monetized. I am just doing this for the pure love and concern of our country. Sige, inani na lang. Inani. Ibutang na to. Sige. Ibutang na to nga kanang kaming tanang mga content creators, fake news, may tanan. Sige, butang na lang na to. Okay, kamo mong gihawd, no? Kamo may nadiha sa kanang Malacanang, no? Kamo may hawd. Ibutang na to. Fake news, may tanan. Ibutang na to nga kining tanang information na nakuha na mo from a very legit source. Ibutang na to, fake. I, being chased, a Filipino tax-paying citizen, demand the President of the Philippines to take a hair follicle test. O kana sa silit sa tanas. I challenge you, no, I demand you to take a hair follicle test. Katungod na namo mo demand mo because we want to find out if you are sane enough to run a country. Dili di barangay issue lang. Na pwede na to i-sweep under the rug. It is not just a barangay issue. It is the issue of an entire nation. We need to know if you are sane enough to run a fucking country. It is our right. It is our money that you are playing with. It is our country that you are playing with. You are disrespecting the sovereignty of our country. We have a working judicial system. O sino gibuhati PRRD? Gipadala niyo sa ICC. The Congress is run by clowns. We are the citizen of that nation, and we demand the President to take a hair follicle test because we want to know if you are sane enough to run our country. Adik mo! Kamu sa inyong asawa? Noon kayo mo diri. Swingers mo. Pagkauwang lang mo eh. Pagkauwang mo. Despicable, disgusting people.